What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about the last inch delivery. And I wanted to take it a step further. No longer the last mile delivery, let's narrow it down and get to the last inch. And obviously we're talking about drone delivery. And there are a lot of questions regarding drone delivery and really delivering it to a box or a mailbox. Whatever it may be, there's questions around security, there's questions around safety, is my package being delivered on time, there's risk for my package, all those questions. And obviously, there's a lot of companies that are taking this into consideration. And when I really was doing the research, it's narrowing down a few companies that are really honing in and crafting this skill known as the last inch delivery. So if you're interested in this, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Talk about drone delivery and last inch delivery. I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to fly into this video. This topic will be talked about way down the road. I mean, this is a direction at which we're most definitely heading, and that is definitely going to be the last inch delivery. I mean, when you start to think about it, you're talking a drone delivery, which is coming in the future. And there are plenty of companies who are not only working on, delivering packages by drone, but really just the drone as a whole. And some things I'm going to really hit on are some companies that are out there that aren't public. And I'm going to hit on a company that I really focus on a lot when it comes to, the package delivery, the last inch delivery. And the reason is because they are taking strides and strides and strides, and they are making moves to be the best, and well ahead of any competitor in this field. And so I'm definitely going to hit on Ag Eagle for sure because of just the accomplishments at which they are, getting. It's amazing. And some other things that I want to hit on too are obviously safety, security, and really just the overall aspects that revolve around that, because I know a lot of people have concerns, with, like I said, their packages being delivered by a drone. Is there a chance something could happen to my package before it gets to its destination? And truly, how does a drone know to get my package to that destination? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and when I started doing this research, the first thing I typed into Google was last inch delivery. And in all seriousness, every single article, every single link that I could click on was involved with Valqari. And so I think that shows the importance and really the significance at which a company like Valqari has when it comes to the last inch delivery. And obviously I'm going to hit on it a little bit later, but Valqari just got with Ag Eagle, and I think that is just absolutely massive. Obviously Ag Eagle took some equity into, Valqari, and Valqari is also going to have its boxes manufactured by Ag Eagle at their new Wichita plant or Wichita office. So what I think is very significant is you're seeing some progression here when it comes to not only the drone delivery aspect or the last inch delivery aspect, but you're starting to see some key partnerships, or however you want to view it, coming together. And you're really seeing a major player go after, a potentially another major player, and they come together and are going to absolutely just excel at what they do. So I'm going to swing over here and provide you the information on Valqari. They are a Chicago-based startup with a patent universal drone delivery infrastructure, and it has launched its largest solution to date with Drone Delivery Station. This new technology offers a safe and convenient landing station with 6 separate storage units to accommodate multiple drone and traditional deliveries or pickups. The Drone Delivery Station also maintains a digital chain of custody throughout the entire delivery process to give users peace of mind knowing their packages and are secure until retrieved. I think that's going to be the major point that they continuously hit on as they grow and expand is, hey, we can provide you safety, we can provide your packages security. That's the biggest thing. I understand the concern there. Are my packages going to be delivered when they say they're going to be delivered? And are they going to arrive, on time and in one piece. Completely understand that. The drone delivery station is entirely drone agnostic and enables a fully autonomous point-to-point delivery to provide a reliable, universal location for drone deliveries and pickups up to 25 pounds. It also has the ability to accept packages numerous ways, including winch packages, hover-dropped packages, or pickup and deliveries can be done via landed drones and traditional methods. This new innovative reinforces Valqari's commitment to addressing common logistical problems associated with drone deliveries for residents, commercial businesses, pharmaceutical, meal delivery services, and government. So continuing on to provide more information on Valqari. The 7.5 feet high drone delivery station can accommodate packages up to 12 by 12 by 9 and has an automated route planning and scheduling feature. Plus, deliveries and pickups can be scheduled on Valqari's app. This entirely automated process provides communication technology that authenticates and verifies every delivery while also eliminating any potential interference that may happen during the final stage of drone delivery. Again, another safety and security aspect. This technology will debut in a pilot test later this year. Now, obviously in my last video I provided, they have definitely done a series of pilots when it comes to, this box. We've seen a video posted on Valqari's YouTube page of them actually having the box function with multiple different styles of package pickup and delivery. It's amazing. Piece of information that really is on Valqari and their box again. I think one unique word that was used here was receptacle. So keep that in mind. The universal drone receptacle for package delivery and pickup is intended to tackle the last inch logistic problems associated with drone delivery. According to Valqari, the mailbox features agnostic capabilities to ensure seamless integration and communication with any drone manufacturer during a fully automated delivery process. Again, we're hitting on the safety and security aspect. Valqari's innovation claims to give drone delivery providers a safe landing area by using two-way communication technology to eliminate risk related with total automated drone delivery. It is a concept that startup claims gives the ability to revolutionize drone deliveries for industries including pharmaceuticals, meal delivery and grocery service, government, and residential e-commerce. Again, some major news when you're talking about pharmaceuticals and meal delivery plus potential grocery services. When I'm talking about that, keep in mind some companies that would be utilizing these services. Amazon. So continuing on, we knew the biggest hurdle facing drone delivery was that there was no standardized safe and secure landing area. This gives us a clear vision from the start that our mission would be, to provide the missing piece to the last stage drone delivery process, said Ryan Wall, CEO and co-founder of Valqari. In 2013, we saw that no one else had developed this technology, which is why it was critical for us to put a stake in the ground by immediately applying for utility patents to make us the only smart mailbox option for commercial and residential use. That right there is so impactful that they obviously saw an item that could have been capitalized on. They definitely took it and they got the patents and really have done a great job with that. Today, Valqari claims it is the only drone delivery solution to be issued utility patents in 13 countries and territories, including the US, UK, Germany, China, Hong Kong, Australia, South Africa, and several other countries in European Union. I mean, that is huge because what that does now is that could potentially take them international. And when you're talking as well, now you're incorporating Ag Eagle going international. That right there is a huge piece. This blocks competitors from entering the smart drone delivery mailbox market in these regions. It will provide Valqari's prospective partners a complete end-to-end delivery solution and offer future users reduced shipping costs, increased market penetration, reduced liabilities, and a secure chain of custody. Again, another aspect of safety and security for your packages. The solution is the result of 4 years of development by Walsh and fellow Valqari co-founder Alex Valesh. Hopefully I'm saying your name right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start talking about some major e-commerces really kind of seeking out and looking and really applying some of these things. And, obviously Amazon is a major e-commerce, and Amazon is doing some major things when it comes to drone and drone delivery. Obviously, they have their Amazon Prime Air, and they really have been hitting on that and working on that for some years now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to really hit on this company and provide you a ton of information, and hopefully you can connect some dots. So details about how Amazon's proposed delivery drones may work have been published by the US Patent Office. According to the patent, the drones will be able to track the location of the person it is delivering to by pulling data from their smartphone. The unmanned vehicles will also be able to talk to each other about weather and traffic conditions. Amazon faces many regulatory hurdles before its plans can be turned into reality. Amazon submitted its drone patent in September 2014, but the details are only now being published by the US Patent and Trademark Office after it approved the ideas. For many, Amazon's idea of delivery via drone was seen as a pie in the sky, but the details it provides in the patent application suggest that the firm is taking the idea seriously and working hard to overcome a variety of technical obstacles. Things Amazon has really focused on when you're talking about drone delivery. So Amazon will employ a variety of unmanned vehicles depending on the shape and weight of the product. Flight sensors, radar, sonar, cameras, and infrared sensors will be employed to ensure safe landing zones are found. The unmanned vehicle would constantly monitor its path for humans or other animals and modify navigation to avoid such obstacles. Very, very important. Again, another safety and security aspect, making sure your package is being delivered in a safe manner with security, and it's also looking out for the likes of you. Amazon plans for drone delivery puts increasing pressure on the FAA to allow more US-based drone research and development. It has been criticized for dragging its heels on regulation and losing the impetus on drone development, which has gone to other countries, most notably the UK, which will build a drone research center in London. This week, the FAA did make a significant stride towards relaxing its rules on drone use, giving it the go-ahead for unmanned helicopters to be used for spraying crops in the US, as well as announcing plans for testing new gathering drones in urban areas in partnership with CNN. It also said it would also test commercial drones that can fly beyond an operator's line of sight for inspecting railways. Amazon had been testing its drone system in Canada, where the airspace regulations are more relaxed. But in March, the FAA granted its permission to start testing in the US. Although the drones can fly no higher than 400 feet and must remain within the pilot's line of sight. I think we're starting to see some dots connect. I really see Amazon being a huge, forefront for the likes of an Ag Eagle. Amazon can handle all of the FAA, situation. They can handle a lot of the regulations. They can get some of things ironed out, while a company that is continuously progressing and really working hard on getting the whole idea, the concept, the drone, and clearly Valqari's box in perfection. So all this has to do, as I bring it together, has to do with the last inch delivery. When you're talking the last inch delivery, you want it to be perfect. You want the situation as a whole to go flawless. You want to make sure that the drone leaves wherever it leaves, obviously the packing plant, whatever it may be, it's going to leave in a safe manner. Your package is going to be in good condition. It's going to fly to you, and it's going to be delivered in a safe, secure manner. And all that information I just provide to you proves that they're working on the last inch delivery. You guys swinging by and checking out this video. I can assure you this will not be the last video on this topic. This will not be the last video on these three companies that I talked about, because honestly, this is the direction at which we're heading in a delivery manner. I mean, it's not going to be the only delivery, but I think it's going to provide a very beneficial option, and it's going to be absolutely amazing to see. I cannot wait. I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, entertain, and hopefully this video provide you some amazing entertainment. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.